Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Hey, before I get on to tonight's video, let me remind you that I have a second, a third, and even a fourth channel out there. I have Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs. It's an automotive channel, a how-to channel. If you're into working on cars or into learning about tools, scan tools, and things like that, that's the channel for you. The third channel, newest channel of the bunch, Farpoint Mowers and More. That is all about outdoor equipment, how-to videos, reviews, things of that nature. And lastly, for the few of you out there that aren't aware, the Midnight Cafe, which is my shortwave radio show, still has old files stuffed up on the Midnight Cafe YouTube channel. You can find stuff dating all the way back into the 20 teens, I guess it would be. And occasionally we'll throw a new episode in there as well. On to tonight's video though, I've got a very small box, very small. And it is a very small radio inside of it. It's the Goozogoo, which I've worked with them before. It's the SI4732 all-band radio, and it is super teeny. In fact, the antenna that it comes with, which is really nice, 9.9 kilohertz to 181 megahertz, nice little antenna here, is way bigger than the actual radio. My gosh. And I feel like I forgot the radio here. Look at this. Look at this. So I guess if you were going to through hike the Appalachian Trail, well, this would be the radio for you if you want to be able to hear everything always. Look at the size of this little teeny weeny radio. And this is an all band radio. That's all there is to it. So we have the ability to put an antenna, just a extendable antenna on it, like so. Or we can put a band antenna like that. We can put it up, right? Now up on top there is a USB-C. And then on this side there is a microphone jack. And then on this side the only button we have on and off. It should come to life. There it is. I'll be honest with you. I'm going to show this much closer up. That screen is crazy readable for somebody who can hardly hear or has a hard time seeing. Well, we can't do that. I'll have to put it down to some voice. So that's pretty awesome. Wow, it even is showing the radio station, and the RDS information is also coming through here. That is really cool. Okay, well, obviously we want to play with this some more, so we're going to get the camera closer in on this, and we'll go through it. But just real quick, it does come with a USB-C charging cable, and I would assume this is the manual. Yeah, well, it's just got some specs, not really a manual. Worldwide FM band support, 64 to 108 megahertz. Worldwide AM band support, 520 to 1710. SW band support, 2.3 to 26.1 megahertz. Long wave band support, 153 to 279. Excellent real-world performance with integrated AM, FM, shortwave, long wave, and RDS. It is the ST7789 with a 1.9 IPS display. That being said, I mean, look at this thing. If I take the antenna off, let me do that just for a second. It's the size of a lighter. Reminds me of like a Zippo or Bic lighter, you know? Not much to it. You could take that anywhere, you could have it anywhere, put it in a glove box, forget it exists for a while, and then you get bored, stuck in traffic, play with it. That's awesome. All right, let's get the camera closer and we'll check it out. All right, well, let's take a closer look at this thing. There's not a lot to it, as you can see. Earphone there, tuning dial / menu dial, USB charging port, antenna mount, an on-off switch. That's it, your little teeny speaker back here. 3D printed case, it appears anyway. Well, let's go ahead and power it up.
And so I ask you to pray for us, to give to the work.
And you can see here we press the button and we can switch. Here we're on the 10-meter band. So it is actually, I mean, I'll be honest with you. It's picking up a couple stations there. Wow.
But we hope you'll take some time today to reflect on.
That's pretty awesome. So look, without having the ability to direct enter, you know, it's going to be somewhat of a limiting factor. That being said, I mean, let's take a quick look here. I don't know if that'll work on... If you press here, watch, search up, and it'll automatically scan through trying to find a station that's going to be worth something. So that's kind of a cool feature as well. So there's a lot you can do with just that. You would have to memorize that. You'd have to memorize some of these things, but they're really, I mean, it's all self-explanatory. It's on the screen over here, so as it just rolls through the band there, it's kind of cool. Well, I guess that'll do it. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these things, but it's about as small a radio that has sideband, that has all the everything you would ever want in a radio available. And of course, you know, nice long wire antenna here. This is actually really cool. Very small windings, and then traditional FM and VHF banded stuff here. So I like it. I like it. Till next time, my friends, take care.